this time that I've had the opportunity to experience the work that Piazza has shared with us in this women's circle has been so profoundly healing and transformative, and I hope that other women also have the opportunity to also experience this kind of deep empowerment work. Piazza has such a passion for empowering women through her own journey of healing and learning all of the different ways in which we can reclaim our power, that we can heal our wounds and really shine, find that part of ourselves that has been waiting to be embraced and to be welcomed into our full potential. So I'm really grateful for all that Piazza has shared. She's an amazing teacher. She holds sacred space in a powerful way, and with a humble heart full of love and compassion and a deep yearning to support women in their work of transformation and wholeness. So I hope that you have also the opportunity to experience this wonderful gift.